Cook with MyTime. MyTime adjusts the cooking cycle, so food is perfectly done when you need it to be. Locking lid. Travel-proof locking lid has a tight seal to prevent leaks and spills while on the go. 7 Quart capacity, serves 7+ people, perfect for the entire family. Auto-adjust cooking cycle. Cooking cycle adjusts the temperature to ensure meals are never overcooked. Manual cooking. Easily control cook settings on your own with the manual cook option. Sleek, intuitive design. Flat digital countdown control screen lets you easily schedule your desired meal time, monitor meal progress, and manually control your cook time and temperature. Cook carry handles. Easy carry handles make lifting and carrying a breeze. Top reviews from the United States. So easy and efficient. I was thrilled when I cooked my first 9-hour meal in this. The instruction booklet was very easy to understand. I read it to make sure I took advantage of all its capabilities. It was wonderful to simply place in the ingredients and leave it alone all day. Having this now to make my busy days even more efficient and easy is great. I bought the slow cooker liners when I purchased the slow cooker, and there was literally no cleanup needed, except to lift out the empty liner and throw it away. I am so glad I chose the lid that locks onto the top. This makes it mobile, should I wish to take it to a house party or camping. I really wish I had bought this years ago. Worth every penny.